Hello everyone. In this lecture we will solve one numerical on system function, and the question is determine the system function and the unit sample response of the system described by the difference equation y of n is equal to 1 by 2 y of n minus 1 plus 2 times of x of n. So basically a system function h of z is the ratio of y of z and x of z, and the unit sample response of the system function is the inverse z transform of the system function h of z. So h of n is my sample response, unit sample response. So to solve these questions, the first step is determine the z transform of the given difference equation. Z transform of y of n, which is equal to z transform of 1 by 2 y of n minus 1 plus 2 times of x of n. So the z transform of y of n will be capital Y of z, which is equal to z transform of 1 by 2 y of n minus 1 will be 1 by 2 y of z into z to the power minus 1 according to the shifting property, plus z transform of 2 times of x of n is 2 times of x of z. Now taking y term in LHS, we have y of z minus 1 by 2 y of z z inverse is equal to 2 times of x of z. Taking y of z common, we have 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse is equal to 2 times of x of z. Now finding the ratio of y of z and x of z, which is the system function h of z, is equal to 2 times of x of z, is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse. So this is my system function. Now we need to find out the unit sample response. So for that we need to determine the inverse z transform of h of z, which is my step number 2. So the inverse z transform of h of z will be 2 times of the coefficient 1 by 2 to the power n u of n. And this result is my h of n, or unit sample response. So in this way we can determine the system function as well as unit sample response of any kind of difference equation. Thank you.